In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Zendesk account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, it's important to understand that only the primary account owner has the permission to delete an account. So, if you're not the owner, you won't be able to perform this action. For those of you who are on a free trial, there's a little different approach. Instead of finding a delete button, you can simply let your trial expire and Zendesk will automatically deactivate your account. But let's dive into the process for those who have a paid account. First things first, ensure that you are logged in as the account owner. Remember, you need to log in with the primary owner credentials. It's crucial because only the account owner can make changes like deleting the account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Admin Center. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon typically found on the sidebar or by going directly to admin.zendesk.com. This is where you'll have access to manage various settings of your Zendesk account. Now, in the Admin Center, look for the sidebar on the left. You will want to find the Account section. Click on that, and from the drop-down, select Billing. After that, you should click on Subscription. This is where you'll find all the details about your current subscription plan, and it's the next necessary step in this process. When you're in the subscription section, look closely for the Manage option located next to your active subscription plan. This is a critical point as it will allow you to manage your account settings and ultimately lead you to the cancellation process. Once you've clicked on Manage, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here, you will find the option to Cancel Account. Select that option. After you click it, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Make sure you read any warnings or information that pop up, as this will detail what will happen when you proceed with the cancellation. Once you've understood everything, confirm your decision. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you will have successfully deleted your Zendesk account. It's a straightforward process, but it does require that you have the proper permissions and make sure that you're aware of what deleting your account entails. If you have any questions about this process, or if there's anything you'd like to learn regarding other features in Zendesk, leave a comment below. I always appreciate feedback, and I'm here to help you navigate through these processes smoothly. Remember, whether it's managing a trial or a paid subscription, understanding how to navigate your account settings is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated on more tips and